Should we land here? Yeah. It's too hard, guys. Very hard landing. Whew. Very risky. What are we doing? It's too risky, guys. I don't want to do it again. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna be doing night drone fishing. Beastmaster rod, Penn Prevail. It has 50-pound braid, and this is the TLD Shimano, and that's the Shimano Zaragoza. It's a bit difficult to fly a drone in here with the little space, so I'm just gonna see how it goes. This is gonna be our bait for tonight, guys. We're just gonna put decent size. We're not gonna put too big bait here. So we've already set up the drone. I put the floaters, everything. I'm just gonna quickly discuss with you my setup for tonight. I just put that plastic octopus there, guys. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna get some scent, so it's gonna scatter in the water. And that's my hook. It's a bit big, 7/0 actually, guys, and this is a wire trace, just to avoid those tailors or any big fish to bite off our line. And my main line here is 50-pound. This is 100-pound test leader connected to the drone here. So that's the first swivel, main line, and this is the one that connects to the drone. I just created a loop here. It's gonna connect it to the drone, and this one here is our sinker. So that's a heavy sinker that we've put, guys, very heavy, and that goes straight to our hook. So the hook is actually running, as you can see here. It's the running rig, guys. So whenever the fish bites, they don't feel any tension, so it's just running there, as you can see the wire trace. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. We're gonna fly the drone. Still frozen. What I'm gonna be doing is we're gonna turn on the drone because it's free calibration. So I haven't used the drone for nearly 2 months. We're gonna turn it on, the remote control on. It's just gonna do its thing while waiting for this to thaw. Should we land here? Yeah. It's too hard, guys. Very hard landing. Whew. Very risky. What are we doing? It's too risky, guys. I don't want to do it again. We're getting some bites here, guys, but it's not committing. It's just eating the bait. But it's, you know, such a big bites that I can feel. Hopefully we can get something here. Come on, fish. Definitely we've felt some bites there. But it carried my whole line to the shore on the left hand side. So I switch off the clicker, it's too noisy. I don't think we have anything here. No. It just went to the shore. Like close to the shore. I hope I don't get snagged here. There's no head shakes, guys, but I can feel it's heavy. And I'm not sure if it's stuck on the rocks or we actually have a fish. Or it could be a stingray. I don't know. Come on. Come on, fish. Oh, this is heavy. Guys, it's heavy. Whatever this is, it's massive, but there's no head shake. Maybe a massive stingray. Yeah, I'll go this way. Just keep reeling this in, guys. I'll update you when I'm close to the fish or whatever this is. Really annoying. I got snagged. That was pulling a lot of weight. I'm not sure. I think it's just a huge chunk of weed or a stingray, because it's just suctioning on the bottom. So unlucky. That's all right. Just gonna wind my line in. I'm not sure if we're gonna set up again, but yeah, it's a bit unfortunate tonight. And I felt so tired, guys. Don't know what that is. I just broke my line. But anyway, I don't think I'm gonna cast again. It's just an unlucky night. I might just change. We might change location because it's very difficult here. It's too much hazard for the drone. If you're enjoying this video, guys, click like. That's all I'm asking from you. Alright, guys, so we're here in our second spot.
Aircraft connected. GPS mode.
Alright. Let's again.
Aircraft unlocked.
Alright. Let's fly to the moon. We're nearly battery flat, so we're 117, just near the brake wall, just near the braking. So I might drop this 300 meters. 22 volts, guys. All right, drop. Dropped it, then return to home.
Return to home.
Gonna wind the slack. What's happening here? I think we're getting some bites. Where's the drone? Yeah, I think we're getting some bites straight away, guys. Yeah, we've got a bite. Yeah, we've got a bite. So I'm controlling both rod and the drone. I'll just let him land, guys. Aircraft disconnect. Turn this off as well. Now we can focus on the rod. Don't know what's happening here. I think I'm getting a bite. Not sure what happened here, guys. Is that a bite or? This is so heavy, guys. It's taking all my line, and I'm not gaining any line here. I don't know what's this one. Yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Wow. It's too strong, guys. Can't do this anymore. I'm not getting any line. Come on. I've been fighting this fish for half an hour now. What happened is, yeah, I could still feel the head shake. I'm shaking. What happened is, we've got a big fish. It went under some kelp or rock or snag. Then I can't gain any line. Lose all my energy, guys. I wonder how I can fight this. I could still feel the head shake. And I'm too tired now. Whew. We managed to get it out of that snag, but I think we've also lost the fish. But it's still pulling some drag. Where are you? Come on! Yeah. It's just suctioning on the ground. I thought we can end the video there, but luckily we got out of that snag. I don't know what this is, guys. I hope it's not a big stingray. The main thing. I'll pull this one again. Yeah, definitely there's a big head shake there. Yeah, big head shake, guys. Whew. What fish is this? Maybe a shark. Oh, come on. Yeah. There's some head shakes, guys. Definitely. I just don't want to get wet. He's right there. He's right there. Come on. Oh, it busted my line. It's gone, guys. I lost the fish. Oh no. Baga. We lost the fish. Whew. Anyway, all good. That's fine. Whew. I just felt that I lost the fish. Whew. Anyway, better luck next time. Just gonna fix this. Thanks, guys, for watching again.